Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to open recent app settings on Android 16. So as you guys see, you need to unlock your phone, and it's really simple. All you need to do is just swipe down to see all the recent apps and click on the settings as you see, and then you can click app info to have info about this app, or you can click split screen so you can manage a split screen on this app with this app. And as you see, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.